Are you excited to know more about Sleep Slim Tea? Looking for the reviews? There are numerous Sleep Slim Tea reviews available online. Are they all legible and trustworthy? We are in need of sleep, and slim are the two catchy words in this era. We are starving for deep sleep and getting slimmer. Humanity is either in need of proper sleep or weight loss. Health is one thing that we cannot compromise. Here in this Sleep Slim Tea review, I am going to analyze the ingredients, benefits, and side effects. What is Sleep Slim Tea? Sleep Slim Tea is a blend of tea, sleep-providing substances, and ingredients that may help in reducing excess body weight. It is a supplement by Purelife Organics, and its manufacturer Tara shows that the tea is helpful for getting sleep faster easily and even falling into a tight sleep that boosts the body to burn fat every night. It is recommended to drink a cup of Sleep Slim Tea before you go to bed for a better result in sleep and weight loss. According to Purelife Organics, the Sleep Slim Tea is a one-step problem for two really disgusting problems of human life. The tea is mixed with a set of natural ingredients that give us other health benefits too. Purelife Organics is a Las Vegas-based food and supplement production company that works for ensuring a smooth free doorstep delivery of organic products that are helpful in day-to-day affairs of the world. Purelife Organics Sleep Slim Tea ingredients: is it 100% natural? Researchers have been stating that the relationship between proper sleep and weight loss is inseparable. Sleep Slim Tea works based on this fact, and the tea is formulated with a handful of natural ingredients that helps you sleep tight. This leads the customer to a healthy weight loss. How does the Sleep Slim Tea formula work? Sleep Slim Tea weight loss formula is a blend of a few natural ingredients that are commonly used for sleep disorders. These ingredients have been used as sleep solutions in traditional medicine all over the world. The naturally blended sleep solutions can provide you with better days and nights. The Purelife Sleep Slim Tea ingredients are excellent stress relievers too. As stress can count as one of the prominent reasons for sleep disorders, reducing stress can lead to profound sleep. Proper sleep and a healthy metabolic rate help you shed the excess fat during sleep itself. According to the Sleep Slim Tea reviews, the fiber content helps to ease digestion. Improved digestion can also lead to weight loss. Benefits of using Sleep Slim Tea. Sleep Slim Tea powder has a number of benefits, including physical and mental benefits. The benefits of using this tea formula shared by the customers while gathering Sleep Slim Tea reviews are as follows. A natural way of losing belly fat during sleep. Helps you to fall asleep easily and wake up fresh. Provides mental and physical relaxation. Works against anxiety, depression, and silly mood swings that may irritate you. Works as an immunity booster and helps you stay away from diseases. Increases metabolism and energy level. Helps you to sleep deep and burn fat without the struggle of exercise and diet. Conclusion. After a detailed analysis of the Sleep Slim Tea review, I can conclude that the tea mix is widely used for sleep-related health issues and healthy body weight maintenance. It is scientifically proven that tight sleep can boost metabolic rate and burning of calories. Here, the Sleep Slim Tea ingredients have been used widely for the same purpose for years. As the ingredients are natural, the threat of side effects or addiction is also irrelevant. The majority of the Sleep Slim Tea reviews were positive. There are thousands of happy customers who are observed with remarkable changes in their sleeping patterns as well as body weight. The organic components ensure the safety of the supplement. It is observed that the formula is safe for everyone. Get your doctor's approval only if you are pregnant. The Sleep Slim Tea official website catches buyers' attention by providing attractive offers and bonus packages.